Hi, let's talk about the flow model, and it's all about trying to understand what makes us happy. And this was the question that, starting from Aristotle to the modern day psychologists, people are trying to answer, but of course there is no single answer to that. Aristotle was saying, and there was a very probably unsurprising proposition that he put forward, that happiness is something that all the human beings are trying to achieve. Then modern day psychologists, they basically say that all the beauty, money, power, health, all those things that we dream and try to have, these are just to achieve happiness. So let's try to really understand what this happiness is about. This model, called the flow model, basically characterizes the happiness according to the challenges and abilities and something that is called the flow. The flow which is in between in there. So what we have here is basically, if we have over-challenged situation, we may risk being burned out. And if we have under-challenged situation, we may risk basically being bored. So getting in between there, not to be bored, but also not to be burned out. The flow model basically is sticking to the simple 5 rules. First of all, focused on the activity. What makes me happy? To be focused on the activity. What makes me happy? To have an activity, something that I'm doing that I chose. It's my choice. Then this activity should be challenging enough but achievable. Clear objective, clear targets, and finally getting immediate feedback. So 5 things. When I'm the happiest, when I'm focused on an activity, when I chose that activity myself, when it's challenging but achievable, when there is clear objective and target, and when I'm getting immediate feedback. Think of this next time when you are motivating yourself or somebody else. Are you making yourself happy? Are you making somebody else happy? When you are coming up with some sort of a motivation, incentive systems and so on. Think, try to answer, try to be in the flow and be happy. Cheers.